Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we're testing every single mask on Amazon. Today we are looking at Zerobay KF94. If you are a real KF94. I'm excited. We're finding fake KF94s here. I didn't think that would happen. Like, it's been such a protected format, but Korea, Chinese are coming at you. Look out. All right, let's open this up. I think this is a legit one though, just by taking a quick glance at it. It's because the packaging is so beautiful. So take notes, Chinese knockoff artists. You got to knock off the packaging too if you want it to be convincing. All right, let's get this in the clamper and see what's what. Oh, wow, that is fresh. Fresh. I did not expect that design. This is, I've seen this once before, a kid's mask called a KF94, but not the traditional boat or fish style that you end up seeing for KF94s. I think it's just made to fit a smaller face, but honestly, I don't love the look. I don't love the style. All right, this is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. We are doing the N95 test here. Why? That's all I know, people. In fact, if you can send me the KF94 standard, would love to read it. One thing I do know, two things that I know is one, the 94 stands for 94% filtration, and two, it's got to be made in Korea, which this one does appear to be. So a lot of the knockoffs pretend to be made in Korea, but when you open them up, they're actually made in China. And they have this like standard way, the standard table as well, I've noticed. Korea. Let's open it up. Zerobay. All right, let's do this. Oh. I don't love this style of mask. Okay, this is for kids, I think. It says it's for juniors, so small. It is pretty tight on me, so. This smells like someone washed some clothes with crayons. That's what it smells like. Not a horrible smell, but not a great smell either. Definitely not what you want your socks to smell like. I like that it says fresh on it. Let's take a look at the listing. Individually wrapped, quality use. Not much going on in the listing. I'm just going to jump over to this because this is great. 97.15, 120 pascals. Super breathable. Beating the 94. Guys, this is a pretty good mask. Zerobay? You did a good job. I think that, like, I would have to check it to see how it fits on my kids. I don't love this style, but all in all, that's pretty good. Let's do one last check here just to get the final number. 97.178, 97.178, under 120 pascals. That's a pretty good mask. KF94, the real ones do not disappoint. I'd probably put my kids in this mask, to be honest. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time and attention. Join me on the next episode, which is tomorrow at 10 a.m. I will see you there.